Nah, this is another sign of these buses aging. When you feel here, yeah, the engines feel bare hot now. They never used to be like that when they were brand new. It feels bare hot, bro. Just like how you feel it on the B70L buses, man. You feel the heat from the back seats, even the B90Ls, man. All the buses, it's the same thing. It's a sign that these things are actually getting older to that point. They feel heat here now. I don't get the shit people are talking about. Voice don't perform the same, bruv. This is still going quick, fam. What are you talking about? Just because it ain't got kickdown don't mean it's slow. Kickdown ain't no speed booster. All it does is make the shifts happen a bit later. That's all it does. And it makes the downshifts happen earlier, somewhat. The revs aren't really that different. It's barely that different. Like, I still like the sound of the engine low tone, man. That still sounds badass, man. Yeah, I like that. I like that, fam. I don't know what people are bugging about in this community about, oh, just because buses don't have kit down no more. They're weaklings, they're not the same. Bruv, you're freaking out because the engine is only a bit lower tone than your old school buses. That's all you're freaking about, mate. Like, grow up. Actually grow up, mate. Grow up, here. I swear. No, oh, that's the ex-Hong Kong. That's the ex-Hong Kong thing. Oh, big up these man. The amount of respect I have to these men for bringing this all the way to the UK. That is a rare thing. Bro, that is a rare chance in a million, fam. That we have a bus literally come from full on Hong Kong to the UK. Nah, look at this thing. Look at this thing.